Welcome to Bali. Yo, what's up guys? We just touched down in Bali, Indonesia. As you guys can see, we are here in Bali. The flight, honestly, wasn't that bad. I mean, in first class, everything is good. You just sleep the whole time and the whole crew is in business, so we were chilling. Here's the difference between me and you. We roll with the squad. We got police escorts, we got personal assistants, and we got security, we got videographers, we got everything with us right now. We're rolling over to the villa with a police escort. So yeah guys, you'll see firsthand what it's like to be rich in traveling. Trust me, it's better than poor in traveling. So let's go. Look at all these NPCs, look at all these people just waiting in line. That's most of you motherfuckers just waiting in line your whole life. Hello, how are you? Hello. All of our passports or just one? Yes. Okay, let's bring out passports.
So are you a family?
Yes, my son. Oh. I'm kidding, no, he's my friend. You look alike a little bit. Yo, touchdown in Bali. I'm so hyped for this one, man. I'm so hyped for this one. We're heading over to the villa right now. I am so excited because this is probably one of the biggest villas we've ever stayed at. I genuinely just pulled up the Airbnb app and found the biggest villa I could and just booked it. But yeah, guys, if you can see, the city is actually unreal. Like, I'm actually in awe.
You said, do you miss me? Miss me? And I said, miss me with all that bullshit. Don't you hit me? Hit me? No, you couldn't hit me with a full clip. I got whiskey in me. Yeah, I'm taking shots to the head. I said,
that was one of the best meals I think I've ever had in my life, especially coming off of a 9-hour flight from Dubai. I'm so blessed that we can eat food like this and just travel the world and have a good time. I mean, it's moments like this where you've just eaten one of the best steaks of your life, where you're just looking back and you're like, shit, man, we made it. We made it. But yeah, better head over to the B&B, check in. Probably one of the craziest B&Bs I've ever seen in my life, and straight to the beach club after that. But yeah, one of the best meals. John, what do you think of the meal? What do we give out of 10?
This might even be an 11 out of 10. And honestly, an 11 out of 10 is quite rare, but hey, we just hopped off a 9-hour flight, got right here, got our little police escort, and honestly, we couldn't have had a better meal.
Cheers.
So we'll cheers to that.
Question for John. So you've made a decent amount of money dropshipping online.
Yeah.
You've lived a luxury life, and then also a travel like nomad life.
Absolutely.
Which one would you prefer and why?
You gotta have a good balance of both. Have a good home base, and then when you get bored of that, just go wherever you want, whenever you want, and just go. But also make sure you're working, and make sure you're staying on top of things and not letting anything slip too far behind.
Yo, check this out.
when you rich like this, you don't check the forecast. Every day it's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick. I ain't whip up shit. This pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense. But I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain.
Holy fuck. Sheesh. Show him this, bro. Show him that. Not bad. Not bad. I'll give you the tutorial how you guys can find spots like this. First, make an unheard amount of money online. Then you just want to go on B&B. You just sort by filter, highest cost. Just book the first thing that pops up. Bro, look at that down view. We're throwing some Rangers in here. Oh, coconut. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Where's your coconut? Yo. Yalla, habibi, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Let me see that bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. Let's see. Let's compare where I'm taking a shit and where you guys is taking a shit. Let's compare. Let's compare.
Hey boys. John.
John is gay. Yeah, so we got interesting toilet. Got the monkey over there. Fucking crazy. Yeah, so we're gonna be in this crazy villa for the next 4 days. You guys are gonna see exactly how we live and how we make our money, right? Because I don't like to just flex on you guys and not help you out. The whole point of this is to motivate you guys to get out there and try, because if it wasn't for me trying, I would never be here, honestly. But let me show you guys the revenue really quick. This is one of the 3 stores. Yesterday we did around 33K. Not bad, not bad if you ask me. All you gotta do, find a winning product, launch some Facebook ads, brand your store properly. If you do everything right, it will work, I promise you guys.
Police escorts, everybody passports. This the life that everybody asks for. This a fast cold veins, gold chain, no stylist. I'm wildin' and my money piling. Yeah, I'm a long, long way from home.
guys, the Bali send is continuing. Actually, let me bring you guys here. I want to talk to you guys for a second. In private. Come in. Come here. Let's talk for a second. I know you guys see this lavish life. You guys see the crazy things we're doing. You guys see the models, the party. You guys see everything. You've been with me for this whole journey, but I want to be honest with you guys. It never was like this. I was just like you. I was in school or working a job. I didn't have this life, but something changed my life, and that was believing it was possible. Now look, it isn't a matter of doing the work. It's a matter of believing it's possible. The first step to living a life like this is just belief. Look guys, I'm sure you've heard this before, but if you want something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. And another quote for you guys is pay the price now so you can pay any price later. You guys need to put in the work now. You guys need to find a business model. I'm not even gonna sell you on dropshipping. You guys know I make most of my money with dropshipping. It's obvious. But I'm not even gonna sell you on that. I'm gonna tell you guys, you pick a business model, you stick with it, and you just crush it. And if you stay consistent with it in a long enough time, you'll be able to travel the world and do whatever you want. I happened to pick dropshipping because it just made the most sense to me. I have location freedom, I can build passive income, and I can build a business I can sell in 3 to 4 years down the line. Now, obviously, that's what we preach, and that's why we have the Discord to help you guys out, which can be linked in bio. All right, guys, this is day 3 here in Bali in our amazing villa. We've been having a great time out here. We've been going out to the clubs, beach clubs. We've just been degenerates, honestly. But yeah, today we're just gonna chill. We're gonna take it easy. The thing about traveling and working is you have to find time to work as well. And I found that to be one of the most difficult parts about this lifestyle is actually working. Like you get so carried away with traveling and having fun that actually picking up the laptop sometimes is difficult. But at the end of the day, you got to get the job done, right? Like if you're running a brand, if you're running Shopify stores, you got to make sure your ads are running. You got to make sure you got revenue coming in. You just got to check up on people. It's just part of the game, right? So today we're going to take it easy. We're going to work. We're going to go out to a nice dinner tonight, maybe like some steak or something, and just enjoy the day. One of my favorite parts about being here in Bali too, I got to admit, is the staff. Everywhere we go, we have drivers, we have private chefs, we have maids, we have literally a team of people just making sure we're okay. Like for example, yesterday on our way back from the club, all I had to do was WhatsApp our lady and I'm like, yo, we're having a bit of an after party. Let's get some beers ready. Let's get some stuff ready. The whole crib was ready and decorated, which is insane. You know, in America, to be able to do that, you need to at least be spending like a couple $100K a month, right? But out here, as long as you have a couple thousand to throw, you can genuinely have a team of people around you making sure you're okay and everything's going well. I would say I give Bali a solid 9 out of 10. This is our first time here. We're enjoying it for the first time.
Wrist glisten like a pool in the morning. My friends like porn, that's why
I just want to show you guys to do a little revenue check here. Yesterday, this store did almost $40,000 in revenue. So we're definitely pushing it. We are definitely pushing it. But the fact that I'm not even touching my laptop and it's still printing goes to show that this is one of the best business models out there. Like you guys, if you're not utilizing branded dropshipping, especially in 2024, you will be left behind. So yeah, guys, we're gonna log into the laptop here, just kind of make sure everything's running smoothly. But I mean, to be honest, I don't even need to. I could just go to sleep right now. I'm good for the day. So I've searched long and hard for the best black t-shirt. Zara has it 100%. Like point the camera at this guy. This is why the Zara t-shirt is the best. Show them the tricep. Do what you just did. No. Like when you pull it out, you see how it hugs the bottom of the tricep. Now see, John has incredibly small triceps, but but it still looks like he has big triceps. Whereas I have big triceps, but you really can't see it because the shirt doesn't hug the bottom of my arm as good as the Zara t-shirt. Now the only way to get these specific Zara t-shirts is in Spain. You have to go to Marbella to buy these. You can't get them anywhere else, which sucks. A little menu review. So I don't even know what the fuck type of food is this. This is, wait, I don't even intro the vlog. This is day 3, dinner for day 3. We spent the whole day just working. We filmed some good videos as well. It's more educational content for you guys, but right now, we are at one of the best restaurants here in Bali, recommended by our hosting crew.
What is this place called?
I don't even know what it's called. I don't even know what type of food it is. They just told me that it's the most expensive and best restaurant we have, so I said book it ASAP. I'm not even looking at the prices. I don't think I've ever looked at the prices on a menu for like the last 3 years.
That's the best part about making money.
Is the
online.
food.
The food and not just worrying. Just whatever you want on the menu, you just get it.
The first thing I spoiled myself with when I started to do 100K a month profit was literally food. Just buying whatever food I want. Like back in Miami, I will eat the most expensive steak every day for breakfast. It costs me around $150 to $200 every day for breakfast. So when I come out here, the countries like Bali or Tulum or whatever, I will literally spend as much money as I can on food. Typically, I won't break like 10K a week, but I'll try because I just like spending money on food. It's like a small thing to me, but it means a lot. Let's do a rev check real quick. All right, what store should we do? I think we should do like not our main store, because I'm always flexing one of our main stores, but I'm gonna flex one of our low-key stores really quick. So right here, low-key store, almost 30K yesterday. This is not even our main store, guys. So when they say branded dropshipping is dead, they're just dumb. Literally nothing more to say to that. They're just dumb. I mean, we're making almost over now 60K a day between 4 branded dropshipping stores. For someone to come here and be like, this business model is dead, it doesn't work, don't waste your time, they clearly are a fucking idiot. There's nothing more to say about that. I mean, if you're a brokey, you're a brokey, just stay a brokey, but don't go and tell other people to be brokies too. It's just bad energy, bad juju. But yeah, I mean, we made 60K, so we could literally buy whatever we want now.
I mean, yeah, it's a good thing, but realistically, seeing all these people in Dubai really makes us want to up our game.
That's true.
For those guys, 60K a day is just lunch money for them.
Yeah, that's
at
true.
the end of the day, we just got to work harder and just keep pushing, man.
That's the crazy thing about Bali. Like, ever since I got out here, I love it. Like, we've been having an amazing time, but there's literally like no ambition in the air. Yeah. Everyone's happy being a fucking slob.
So comfortable.
Yeah.
It's not good, the energy to be around.
Yeah, everyone's just talking about what party are we going tonight. Oh, I woke up so late today. Oh, I woke up with shit to the party. Like, there's no ambition in the air. That's why I like Miami. Because Miami is like a perfect party place, but there's also a lot of ambition in the air. Like, Miami's got so much ambition in the air. Could you live out here?
No, I don't think so. It's a good spot to like come, sit back for a day, maybe 2 days.
It's
but
definitely.
After that, I'm like, I want to get back to my schedule.
It's definitely a good spot to come.
Yeah. I mean, it's a good spot to come, if you know what I mean.
Honestly, I think one of the biggest movers for me making money online was being able to take care of my family. Spoiling my mom and sister and my dad was one of the main things that actually was underhyped. I don't think people hype that up enough. Like, it is one of the best feelings in the world to be able to fly your mom around the world, to buy your dad nice things, and to spoil your sister or your brother, whoever you have. That is an underrated feeling, 100% underrated. Let's do, okay.
Order it all. Anything you think you want, just get it.
Yeah, honestly. Do you have more spicy sauces? I want very spicy. I want to cry. Yeah. Anyone who doesn't eat spicy will be poor forever. Quote it. Even our videographer drinks sparkling water. That's how up we are. That is how up we are. All right, cheers.
It goes to the clip, we're dying. Right,
I'm actually nervous, bro. Oh, that's good.
Pretty busting.
That is very good. All right, guys, I just got a text message from one of my people. Officially, we have just launched our free newsletter, meaning if you guys want emails every week about how our stores are doing and just more in depth on what our day-to-day looks like with branded dropshipping, click the link in bio. You'll also get access to our free group and also a free textbook. I have made a branded dropshipping textbook guide personally written by me, so you guys will get free access to that, our free group, and a newsletter teaching you guys exactly how we do the business model. I just got a message from my team that we just finally finalized the landing page and everything for it. So you guys watching this video will be the first people to get access to it. Also, we have a coaching program in there, but we're not gonna accept everybody, so don't really wanna talk about that. The link is in bio if you want it. I'm excited, I'm really excited for this. Wednesday, we're going on a boat, and that's gonna be a crazy day. We have around like 20, 30 supermodels gonna be there. We're gonna be filming the whole thing. You'll see, you'll get to see what our lifestyle looks like. But yeah, it's just a Monday here in Bali. I like to try and work on Mondays, but to be honest, my lifestyle is so crazy that I really don't have time. Where we at? Where we at?
Right now we're in Miami, Brickell.
We're not fucking Brickell, bro.
We're about to go to dinner at Machi's.
Bro, this is not Brickle, dog. And walking around in Bali has got to be, I think, one of the most surreal moments of the trip. Like, we've been in the villa for the last couple days. We really haven't explored, but coming out here, just seeing all the commotion and all the hecticness, it's amazing. It really is amazing. It's Tuesday. We're out here in Bali, exploring, doing whatever we want, literally just free walking the city, while you are probably at a job or in school, getting ready for work, studying for that test. Just know that there are people out there living the life that they want to live while you are stuck doing what you don't want to do. That should piss you off. That should motivate you.
What's happening, TT? Fill the bando up with bands, get a little bro them a job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, here to sin.
Welcome back, guys. We are currently on a boat in Bali. This is our last day here in Bali, and to be honest, I think we couldn't end it off on a better note. It's gonna be a great day. You guys are gonna see exactly what we're doing Wednesday morning on a yacht in Bali. Look, guys, Wednesday mornings used to consist of me in school, commuting to my work, and now I'm out here living a life of freedom. And to be honest, it wasn't even that hard. I laugh when people talk about how you have to work 12-hour days and you have to put everything you ever had just to get the slightest bit of freedom. Let me tell you guys, you can have everything you ever wanted and more. Guys, this is the life, and I'm only here to show you what is possible. Just another day in paradise. Like I was saying, guys, it's really not that hard. You stick with a business model for long enough, it will work. And I can't stress that enough. Like, this lifestyle is more than achievable. But yeah, while you're stuck in school on a Wednesday morning, I'm out here on a boat in Bali, and out of love, I'm telling you, do better. Just be better. Join the show.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want.
Alright guys, today we're doing interviews in Bali on this yacht. So who are we gonna start off with? How's your experience out of 10 today?
So far, it's been 11 out of 10. Why should someone move to Bali?
It's basically a place where rules don't exist, and it's like a fantasy land. You move there, time stands still. None of the shit that matters back in the Western world matters anymore.
Yeah.
You just live a good life. Everything's easy. Everything's beautiful. The people that come there all are like-minded.
Yeah.
Gonna be you.